great to have such an amazing facility for our guys to work, our men and women that get to perform out here, practice out here, train all off season. We have a great facility, but it needs a little upkeep, and just to give them the best opportunity to perform, do what they're passionate about, and make it to the next level.
These events ensure the future success of any educational institution. It's not just about giving $5. It's not just about coming to a game and supporting a couple home games. It's about being involved in something that you're passionate about. If you came to school here, if you know family who attended Marian or Mater Dei, if this has any kind of significance for you, you should feel a part of the family. You should feel like you're always here. So regardless of a Giving Tuesday, come be a part of the family. Come embrace what you love about the school. Help, give back your time, give back your energy, give back your talents, whatever it may be, but there's thousands of ways to give back and be a part of this community, and we always invite you to be part of it.
Well, I think what we're doing at Mater Dei is so much more than just being a school. Of course, we're performing at a high level in the classrooms and on the athletic fields, but it's really creating a mindset that they need to give back to the community, to do something more to make the world a better place. Our alumni have really experienced that, and they're coming back, and they want to support us. They want to give back financially to make sure that we keep doing those same things. So it's just about paying it forward in some sort of way.
You know, high school isn't just, going to class and stuff. It's about all the other events. And when students get involved, it just makes the community, I guess, more livelier. And I've noticed that over the 4 years, our school community has gotten so involved, and I'm so happy for that.
So a day like this is really meaningful to us. It's really impactful because it brings together everyone. It brings people together from different countries, because we have families that live in Tijuana. It brings people together from different socioeconomic status, different cultures, that we stop to see each other for who we are, and we see each other as one.